Om Shanti, good morning. Today English Murli 25th October 2020 and this Abhyakt Murli, the original date is 9th April 1986. The heading of the Murli is Sign of a True Server. What are the sign and symptom, the nature and character of a true server? Today Baba is explaining very deeply. Today the sun of knowledge and the moon of knowledge are seeing all the stars of the constellation of earth. All the stars are sparkling and emanating their light and sparkle. There is variety amongst the stars. Some are special stars of knowledge and some are easy yogi stars. Some are stars who are image of donating virtue. Some are stars who are constant server and some are stars who are constantly complete. However, the most elevated of all the stars who have success at every second, as well as these there are some who are still only star of hope. On the one hand, there are the star of hope and on the other hand, the star of success. There is a vast difference between these two, and yet the influence of each kind of star falls on the souls of the world and also on matter. The star of success influences everyone with their zeal and enthusiasm. The star of hope sometimes experiences love and sometimes labor. So because they are under both of these influences, they exert them on others. As they move forward, however having hopes, they still move forward. So each of you can ask yourself, which stars am I? All the stars have knowledge, yoga, virtue and the feeling of service, but some specifically have the sparkle of knowledge, some the speciality of remembrance and yoga, and some especially attract others by being image of all virtue. Even though all four aspects are being imbibed, there is a difference in the percentage imbibed, how much the percentage they imbibed all the virtue. This is why there is some variety visible in the sparkling star. Baba is explaining us the sparkling of the star, the quality of the star is depend on how much the divine virtue they imbibe or they inculcate. This is the unique spiritual constellation. Your influences as spiritual star falls on the world, just as physical stars influence the world to the extent that you star become powerful yourself. To that extent, there will be an influence on the souls of the world, and this will continue to happen in the future. The greater the darkness all around, the more clearly visible the sparkle of the star would be. Therefore, as the darkness of the lack of attainment continue to increase, why the darkness? The darkness is lack of attainment. They are not inculcating the value, they are not imbibing the value, that is the darkness. The more they will experience the special influence of you, the spiritual star, everyone will be able to see you in the form of the sparkling star of earth, in your form of points of light, as bodies of light, as angels, just as they use their time, energy and the money researching into the stars of the sky. When they see you the spiritual star, they will be amazed, they will be astonished, just as they watch the star in the sky now. In the same way, they will watch the sparkle of the angel and the beauty of the star emanating light. They will experience this and ask, who are they? Where have they come from to show their magic? At the beginning of establishing, people everywhere had a wave of experience of vision of Brahma and Krishna. Who is this? What am I seeing? The attention of many was drawn to try and understand it. In the same way, now at the end everywhere in the world, though this sparkle of both form, light and angel, they will have vision of Bab Dada and the children. From one it will spread to many, and the attention of all will be drawn here. This divine scene is waiting for all of you to become complete. When you experience this angelic stage easily and automatically, there will then truly be vision of angel. This year has especially been given so that you can create the angelic stage. Some children are thinking, will you just need to practice remembrance, or will we also do service, or will be liberated from doing service and just sit in tapasya? Bab Dada is now telling you the true meaning of service. What is the real meaning of service? Feeling of service means to have constantly good wishes for every soul. To have feeling of the most elevated pure desire. The feeling to serve means to give every soul fruit according to their own feeling, and not to have any limited feeling, but to have the most elevated feeling. If anyone has a feeling of seeking spiritual love from you, or a feeling of wanting cooperation, or any of the power, or of happiness, or zeal and enthusiasm, or a feeling of attaining all powers, then to serve means to give them the fruit of all of those various feelings. That is to inspire them with your cooperation, with your true love, with your feeling of service to that selfless service to all people in the world. Just simply to give a speech or to explain to group or to give the course to someone or open a center does not mean to have feeling of service. To do service means to serve souls in such a way that they experience some attainment. When service is done in this way, there is also tapasya within the. Today Baba explained very nicely what is the real tapasya. That means serve the soul in such a way that they experience some attainment. The soul, they experience some divine virtue. They experience some feeling of happiness, the cooperation. They should experience that. And this kind of service is done by the souls is called also real tapasya. That means the tapasya within. Today blessing. May you be a conqueror of Maya and a master of the self, and make the 5 elements and the 5 vices your server. May you be a conqueror of Maya and a master of the self, and make the 5 elements and the 5 vices your server. Explanation. In the golden age, the maid hold the train of the royal costume of the world emperor and world empress. In the same way, at the confluence age, you children must remain decorated with the dress of your title of conqueror of Maya and master of the self. We have 2 titles. One is conqueror of Maya, Mayajit, and master of the self, Swarajya Adhikari. The 5 elements and the 5 vices will then hold your dress from behind. That is, they will move along while being subservient to you. For this titan, your dress of title with the belt of determination be decorated with the seat of different costume and the ornament, and stay with the father. Those vices and element will then be transformed and become your cooperative companion. Means like the 10 things, 5 element means 5 prakruti and 5 vices 5 vikar. The both are is going to be combinedly 10 vices like Ravan. And they, if they are becoming your cooperative companion, it is the great success of an yogi. Today's slogan: become lost in the experience of the virtue and power you speak of. Become lost in the experience of the virtue and the powers you speak of. Experience is the greatest authority. Baba is telling experience is the greatest authority. Om Shanti. Have a nice day. God bless you.